Link your press and rewinder for maximum productivity. Thanks to the EyeC Quality Link, monitor your quality where it benefits you most, on the press, and use the inspection results to speed up the removal of faulty material on the rewinder. You can enjoy total quality control without having to equip your press and rewinder with full inspection systems. The ProofRunner web can be easily integrated into your existing machinery. Here, the ProofRunner has been mounted on a RotoControl DT Hybrid Series press. Depending on your requirements, we offer a variety of mounting options, allowing installation on the press in a matter of hours, reducing downtime of the press for inspection installation. With EyeC's ProofRunner, you set up the inspection job in just a few seconds. The system takes less than a minute to set up. The intuitive user interface guides the operator through the entire setup process. The integrated process overview on the right-hand side allows the operator to see at any time which step he is currently at and what the next step is. This also allows the operator to easily jump back to a previous step if required. In the first step, the order and article numbers are conveniently scanned with a handheld scanner, and the associated job information is automatically loaded into the ProofRunner software. Next, the master image is captured first, against which the printed roll is inspected. The master image captured by the ProofRunner is then automatically qualified against the PDF artwork approved by the customer, so that a 100% correct inspection can be guaranteed right from the start. Note that the ProofRunner matches the PDF to the scanner master and selects a repeat with no or few defects. To ensure maximum efficiency, the ProofRunner can even check the master image against multiple customer-approved artworks, such as front and backside, or different label types. In addition, the predefined inspection regions and parameter sets can be added to the PDF in your pre-press department, and then will automatically be transferred to the job setup, eliminating the need for the press operator to define quality parameters. Areas for high sensitivity inspection, code and color measurements, and distance measurement are examples of special regions. The job is thus set up within a very short time, and the operator can start the inspection. EyeC offers best-in-class inspection performance at all speeds. Even if operated at high speed, our intelligent system detects all relevant defects with the highest precision without compromising DPI resolution for speed. The ProofRunner web monitors 100% of the print run. Take corrective action in real time at the press and reduce waste and prevent overruns. The performance of the system allows the detection of any type of error. Our intelligent defect analysis reduces false alarms as it differentiates between major and minor defects. Thus, we ensure a highly efficient process. The intelligent operator warning notifies the operator when immediate action is required due to major or repeating defects. At the end of the inspection, a unique barcode is attached to the printed roll for easy identification in EyeC's workflow solution, Quality Link. The inspection data for this roll is saved on the EyeC database server. Even in the unlikely event of a network failure, the data is not lost, as in this case, a local backup of the data is made until the network connection is reestablished. Once the inspection of the roll has been completed, the ProofRunner provides a comprehensive inspection report. All inspection-related information is summarized in the report, which allows you to analyze quality and archive inspection results, as well as certify quality. The ProofRunner is already capturing the next inspection job, and we follow the finished inspected roll to the next step in the Quality Link workflow, the Quality Manager. The inspection on the press is followed by an evaluation of the suspect areas by a qualified person, for example, a quality manager. The evaluation is thus separated from the finishing line in time and location, supporting an efficient workflow. The advantage here is that this person has extensive knowledge of quality standards and customer requirements and can assess whether or not the customer would accept a defect. This means that the finishing machine only stops for relevant defects and not for minor, acceptable defects or dust and foreign material, guaranteeing a highly efficient process. The intuitive user interface quickly guides the employee through the evaluation process. At the beginning, the user first selects the order and the corresponding roll to be evaluated and immediately starts the evaluation. The Quality Manager provides the user with helpful tools for a quick evaluation of the suspect areas. Major defects, which would not be accepted by the customer, will be marked as bad, so that they can be replaced at the finishing machine. Acceptance of minor deviations prevents from unnecessary stops and increases efficiency on the finishing machine. Even serial defects can be quickly evaluated and cut out. If the operator is not quite sure whether a defect needs to be replaced, he can leave the defect unevaluated so that the defect is stopped at the finishing manager, and the operator there can decide whether to accept the deviation or replace it. After processing all defects, the user saves the evaluation of the roll on the Quality Link database server and releases it to the finishing line. The Quality Manager is now ready to evaluate the next job and process the orders independently from the finishing line. After the evaluation of the defects at the Quality Manager, the processing of the roll at the finishing machine now takes place with the Finishing Manager. Through the Finishing Manager, you improve your productivity by being able to run the machine at full speed and only stop the machine automatically in case of relevant errors. 100% compliant material leads to high customer satisfaction. At the beginning, the operator is mounting an evaluated roll on the finishing machine and selects the corresponding dataset for the roll which is saved on the Quality Link database server. For this, the operator simply scans the unique barcode, and the dataset belonging to the roll is loaded automatically. After the data is loaded, the operator determines the stopping position for the defective labels and synchronizes the dataset. The unique barcode for the roll also serves as the synchronization location. The machine can be started immediately and will automatically accelerate to the first defect in the evaluated roll. One of the main advantages of the EyeC system is the best-in-class defect positioning accuracy, which is maintained through double correlation between sensor data and encoder data. This saves the operator a significant amount of time by eliminating the need for consistently searching for the defective label or inadvertently choosing the wrong label. The finishing machine has reached a relevant defect and will be stopped automatically so that the operator can replace the defective label. After the operator has processed the error, they mark the label as replaced and continues processing the other errors. If an error was left unevaluated during the previous evaluation step, it is automatically stopped at the replacement position, and the operator can decide whether to replace the label or accept the defect. The roll has been successfully processed with the Finishing Manager, and the system is ready for the operator to repeat the process for the next roll. Link your press and rewinder with EyeC's Quality Link for maximum productivity and customer satisfaction.